Hi, my name is Lindy and thank you for joining my channel. Welcome or welcome back. I want to show you something else that I love to do to work out how much yarn I have left. We've done single crochet, half double crochet and 2 camel stitches. We're on our third. We started with a ball of 120 grams. I measured it with the label on. So now what I do with my little scale is I put this on and I see that I have 65 grams of yarn left. This entire edging, single, half double and 2 camel stitches, has used half the yarn. That means that I can happily carry on now with a few more rows. Otherwise you're going to get near the end of the round and run out of yarn. So this, make sure you don't waste your time. My name is Lindy and thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this series on my tutorials crocheting various granny squares for my baby Ella's quilt, please like and subscribe and you'll be notified when my next is available. Take care and bye.